What's up, y'all? So I'm in Walmart and I am purchasing the ingredients to make that famous holiday time crack. You'll definitely need these. You'll also need some white almond bark. And I'm also gonna buy some candy canes. I like crushed candy canes over mine, so I'm gonna make two separate batches. Some with candy cane, some without candy cane. All right, so I'm home and I just crushed up a candy cane in here. This is the almond bark. I'm gonna take half of this, so 6 blocks, and I'm gonna melt it in here in the microwave. And once this comes out of the microwave, I'm gonna do half of this bag in here and like just pretty much pour this over it. Lay the parchment paper out and allow it to pretty much like solidify. So, okay, so half the block. And I like to put this, see the 6 blocks? I like to put this face down so the heat rises and melts it. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like probably 2 minutes, but stop after a minute to check it, stir it, and then, you know, just make sure that it's all melted. Meanwhile, while we wait for the chocolate to melt, I'm gonna pour half this bag in here. I think that should be enough. Yep, that's enough. Okay, so y'all, this is actually the second piece of 6 blocks because the first I burnt. So y'all gotta be careful with the chocolate because it does burn. So I'm just pouring it in here, pouring it in here, pouring it in here, and then I'm just gonna toss these popcorn or puff popcorn. Just gonna toss it. Yeah, before it solidifies. Ah! Okay. And y'all will thank me later because it's so good. Some of y'all probably already know about this, but it's so good. Like, no lie, it's so good. And because it's chocolate, what's gonna happen is it's gonna pretty much solidify like in a chunk, so I have a big bag that I'm going to pour these in once they solidify to break them up. And I think I'm done with the tossing. What I'm gonna do now is put some parchment papers here. And I'll put this on here. Like that. Scrape this out. Scrape this out. This parchment paper here. So it does not want to stay. Okay. That's how that goes. I'm gonna sit this there. Let it solidify. Oh, I should probably do some of these because I don't have no more chocolate. I should probably put some of my peppermint on some of these and not all of them. Gotta do it while it's the peppermint. Probably can't, but I'm just gonna do a little bit and not the whole batch because I don't know if everybody wants peppermint. You gotta put it while the chocolate is hot so that it could solidify from there. Can you see the peppermint? I'm gonna go in a little closer. Yep, see the peppermint? A little more peppermint over there. And okay, and here's the end result. This is the peppermint one. I just have a little sprinkles on it. And this one is the plain one.